Ransomware attacks are not just news stories. They're a growing threat that impacts businesses and individuals around the globe with devastating consequences. As these attacks become more sophisticated, the importance of being prepared cannot be overstated. Knowing the right steps to take before, during, and after an attack can be the difference between a minor disruption and a major catastrophe. This video will guide you through a comprehensive step-by-step recovery process to not only survive a ransomware attack, but to emerge stronger and more secure. The first and most critical step when you suspect a ransomware attack is to isolate the infected systems. Immediately disconnect affected devices from all network connections, whether it's Wi-Fi, wired networks, or Bluetooth. This action prevents the ransomware from spreading to other devices. Physically unplugging network cables and disabling any wireless connections can mitigate further damage. Remember, time is of the essence, and quick isolation can significantly contain the impact. Once you've isolated the infected devices, the next step is to secure your backups. Check if your backup data is intact and ensure it hasn't been compromised or encrypted by the ransomware. Having secure and recent backups is your safety net. It's crucial in the recovery process. If your backups are unaffected, they will play a vital role in restoring your system without giving in to ransom demands. Always keep multiple backup copies, both on-site and off-site, for added security. With the immediate threats contained, assessing the damage is your next move. Identify which systems are infected and the extent of the data affected. This step is crucial to understanding the impact of the attack and planning the subsequent recovery process. Determine the nature of the encrypted files and prioritize the restoration based on business needs. Documenting every detail during this assessment will aid in future prevention and recovery strategies. Communication is key during a cybersecurity crisis. Notify your organization's IT department, cybersecurity professionals, and if necessary, law enforcement. This ensures that everyone who needs to be aware of the breach is informed and can take appropriate action. Early notification can also help in tracking the source of the attack and potentially mitigating further risks. Keeping stakeholders informed helps maintain trust and aids in coordinated recovery efforts. Engaging with cybersecurity experts is essential at this stage. These professionals can help analyze the attack vector and eradicate the ransomware from your systems. They will also assist in strengthening your security posture to prevent future attacks. Remediation may involve cleaning infected systems, updating software, and applying security patches. This thorough investigation will help ensure that all aspects of the ransomware are addressed. This chapter is crucial as it involves making significant decisions. Evaluate the pros and cons of paying the ransom, though generally it is advised against doing so as it does not guarantee the recovery of your data and might encourage further crimes. Instead, focus on recovery strategies using your secure backups and assistance from cybersecurity professionals. Deciding the best course of action should be done with careful consideration and expert advice. After ensuring your systems are clean and the threat is neutralized, begin restoring your data from backups. Carefully monitor the restoration process and verify that all systems are functioning correctly. Continuous monitoring after restoration is crucial to detect any signs of lingering issues or reinfection. Implementing robust monitoring tools and practices is essential in maintaining the integrity and security of your systems post-attack. Post-recovery, it's vital to conduct a thorough review of the incident, analyze what was done correctly, and identify areas for improvement. Update your incident response plan based on the lessons learned. This review should lead to stronger policies, enhanced training for staff, and improved security measures. Planning for future security includes both technological upgrades and human factors training to better prepare for any subsequent threats. The fight against ransomware doesn't end with recovery. Continuous vigilance and regular training are key to maintaining security. Keep your software updated, conduct regular security audits, and train employees on the latest cybersecurity practices and threat awareness. Staying informed about new ransomware tactics and solutions is crucial in adapting to the evolving digital threat landscape. Every organization is unique, and so is every ransomware attack. Tailor these recovery steps to fit your specific situation and capabilities. While the general principles remain the same, your approach may vary based on your IT infrastructure, business type, and available resources. Consulting with cybersecurity experts to develop a customized recovery plan is highly recommended to address your unique needs effectively. Surviving a ransomware attack is about being proactive rather than reactive. Implementing strong cybersecurity measures before an attack occurs is crucial. Regularly update your recovery plans and consult with cybersecurity professionals to enhance your defenses. Remember, the cost of prevention is always less than the cost of recovery. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and stay secure. Let's turn these steps into regular practices and build a resilient digital world together.